is Wyatt, and today we are going to be upgrading the Rustler 4x4, and we're going to be putting on the front shock towers along with the shocks, the knuckle heads.
No, that's just you.
And my dad's family. And we're putting on the black.
The front or the rear?
Oh, the front rear arms is what it says. So we're taking out this screw right here.
Did you do something else to it before?
Oh yeah, we also put in the back shock towers and the new shocks. We're gonna take out the screw right here for the Rustler.
And then put those parts on?
Yeah, and then we've taken off the lower shock screws in the front, and now we're taking off the wheel. Now we're taking off the two front wheels. So when I took off the wheel, I took off this small part right here and a smaller part on top of it. And this, just put it on there to rest, that way you don't lose the part unless you have a bin to put the part in or something. We pulled it off with this, boom, fly like that. Now we're gonna put on the knuckle heads.
No, you're the knucklehead. Knuckle arms?
Yeah, the knuckle arms, sorry.
Okay.
Alright, so this part I forgot to mention. There's this little spacer in between right here. You have to take it off, or you're probably going to lose it when you take off the other piece. And make sure you don't lose it because it's a very important piece. So just put it on the screw that you already took it from with the small bearing part right there. And
that's because you're going to replace what?
Because we're replacing the knuckle head right here.
You're a knucklehead.
Knuckle arm, sorry.
Oh, okay.
And they're aluminum, so it will beef it up. And we're also, alright, so we've put in the aluminum bearing on. And now we're going to put it in here and reassemble everything that we've done.
Can we see? I can't see anything.
Right here.
Move your hand and show them.
Right here.
Slide it back in.
And then you're just going to slide it back in.
And that's
aluminum.
Knuckle arm, not aluminum bearing. Okay.
Alright, so now we're taking off now we're putting in the new shock tower. And we're taking out the new shocks and putting new shock springs in them and everything. So we're making the whole front end a lot better right now. And we put in this knuckle arm. It was pretty simple. So hopefully it will drive better now.
Where are the shocks you're going to put in there? Can you show them the shocks you're going to put in there?
Put in there are these.
You have different springs you can put in there, different gauges?
Yeah, you have black ones and you have these silver ones. Orange ones are here that come with it. You can change them out pretty simple.
And that's going to be
front shock tower. And so yeah.
And that's it. So you're going to take this out?
Mm-hmm. Taking out the front spring. Alright, so we took out these two screws right here to take out the front shock tower. So here's the big screw. It goes right here. It's for the front shock tower. This is the front screw. The top screw, sorry. It goes on the top of the...
And it's shorter.
Yeah, it's shorter.
Okay, so you're paying attention to which ones
you
go.
don't want to lose.
So now you're going to take the shock tower off?
Yep.
Let's do it.
Now we're doing the other side.
Oh, you still have no one to take off?
Yeah. Alright, so we took off the old front shock tower, and we're going to be putting on these shocks, and we're just screwing everything in. And so,
and the smaller screws go on the top?
Alright, so these smaller screws right here go on the top like this. Do not forget it, okay? Or you will be in some big trouble.
And then what?
And then you put the bigger ones on the bottom like that. There we go. So we put in the front shocks on the new shock tower and the new shocks. Put in the arms, like I already said, the shock, not the shock arms, what do we call them? And then the back here. Alright, so the black ones right here, these ones, These are the stiffer and better ones for the back. Orange ones are okay. Actually, I haven't tested the silver ones, so I don't know which one's better yet. So I'm just going with the orange. We're going to put on the wheel, put the fan right here, and over here. And then we're going to put in a 65 plus battery and we're going to go test it out. Alright, so we put in the fan right here for the, for the servo? Yeah? No, sorry. Receiver.
Fan.
And now we're putting in this fan for right here for the motor.
It's the motor fan?
Yeah, it's the motor fan. We'll be putting this. You'll be putting this. Sticking up like this, and we'll be standing above it right here.
Did you have to put it? Did you have a extra power source? Would you?
Oh yeah. So right here, you have to take the power extension for this.
Splice it into the battery so you
Yeah.
have another power source.
So this is the adapter, goes into here, and you'd plug it in like. Give me a second. Is that the right way? Yeah. You plug it in like this, then you'll plug this red thing in right here, and then once you get this all.
You plug it into this fan right here. You mean?
Oh yeah. And then yeah, you're good.
Okay.
All right, so we put the shock towers on and new shocks. This the front right, and we put right here. We put the knuckle arms, and we put the back shock tower on and the back shocks. We put this fan on. We attempted to put the fan on for the motor. We just couldn't figure out how to do it. And we're about to drive it. So. As long as I thought it would, but it broke right here. And yeah, it didn't last that long, but we fixed it.